Hello, everyone. This your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Welcome to my channel. Just coming on today to show these two concepts that I worked on. Uh, I was going to try and do uh, four, at least four of them, but I had some visitors came over, so I had to slow things down. But anyways, come on in and let's have a look at the first one that I did. So the first one that I have here, let's bring it a little closer for you. Okay. So I have here we go. Let's do that. So I have the basket that we got from Dollar General. I think I got them when they were on sale uh, for 50 cents. So I put a little butterfly on the front there. And I have in here my loofah. I have a bath bomb from the Dollar Tree. Let me make sure I took the price. Oh, yeah. Okay. Make sure I cover the price up on that. Okay. This here is the lotion from the Dollar General from the clearance sale. I also have the, let's move this, the bath salt from the Dollar Tree. In here, I have one of those candles that I got from Top Shelf. It's has the one that has the zodiac signs on them. And when I first got them, I what I did was cover them up with a sticker. This cover up the zodiac sign with a sticker. And then I saw LBE the other day where she took hers out of the container and just placed the candle there by itself. I was like, yes, smart move. So what I did, I removed the top of the box. Let's see, I'm looking for the container. Anyways, I removed the top of the container and I left the candle in the bottom half of the container right there. So if you look, the candle will lift out of there. There. I also have here, to go with the lotion, I have the body wash that came from the Dollar General. And I have here one of my waffle robes that came from the Family Dollar when they had their big sale. I also have a loofah here. And in here I had this for a while and I couldn't decide what to do with it, but I thought it would go nice with this concept. So it says Home Sweet Home, and I'm using that as a backer, not only for the products in front, but also for the robe. So yeah, that is how this one turned out. And I thought these flowers will go nice with the concept. So yeah, I put a flower right there to fill in that space right there. So, and I decided to use some green and blue thread, uh, my filler. So, and that is this thread right here. Yeah. So use that as a filler. And along with this, I have this bow that I'm going to use there. So move it back a little bit. So yeah, we'll use this bow with it. And that is this concept. So I have another. So this is the second one. Now this is the box that I wrapped yesterday. I don't know if anyone saw that video where I wrapped this box yesterday. I did a video on that. But yeah, so we're using that box today with this concept. So I couldn't figure out exactly what I wanted to put in here, but so I used this um, paint by numbers frame right here. I don't know if anyone saw the video where I bought this from Hobby Lobby when they had the 90% sale. So yeah, so I used that, and I have in there also the Yardley soap. I have Bath and Body Works body wash, an unscented candle that I got from Pop Shelf, and Dove lotion. I also have in here from the Dollar Tree foot filing kit, and I place this right loofah. Oh, then they're playing. I place this loofah right there. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. My grandson came in just now. Had a little issue that I had to take care of for him. All right, so back here, I used this is one of the blankets that I got from CVS during the 75% off. And this is one of those water jugs that I got from the Dollar Tree. So, yeah, this is this concept, how this turned out. So, I'm thinking that I'm going to shrink wrap them both, and I'm going to use this is the bow that I'm going to use on this one. So I still have to pull it out, straighten it out there. I don't know what it's going to look like, but trying to make the colors work for me. I figure this gray or silver looking will go nicely with the box. Then I have some blue in there, and I have the pink that goes with the um, picture. So pull all of these out. So thank you for visiting my channel. If you made it this far, thank you very much. To all of my subscribers, I thank you for coming back and supporting me. To anyone that's visiting for the first time, I hope you see something that you like, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the comment. I'd like to hear from you. And hold on, I'm sorry, my grandson is back. Hold on a second, I'm sorry for that. So this is going to be this concept. I forgot where I was at, and I'm so sorry, y'all, but you know how it is when you have little ones, you know, and especially with boys around the same age, and they're playing with each other, competition. So, you know, So here, fix that. All right, so yeah, so I'm going to use this bow on here. And I think that I would go ahead and shrink wrap both of them. So yeah, that's my plan. So let me see if I have a bag big enough for this one here. So I'm using a 32 by 40 French wrap side for this one. And just over here. Oh, yeah, so for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this off camera. I'll be right back. Yeah, so this is a 32 by 40 shrink wrap bag. And I think this one looks good enough. Just gonna try and shrink wrap it enough so that y'all can have an idea, see what it's gonna look like. I'll shrink wrap it more later on if I need to. And now I'm going to shrink wrap the other one. Okay, so I'm in the process of wrapping the second one, y'all. And I'm trying to keep this from leaning too much to the front. So let's see how that turns out. I don't know if you can see my flowers still getting smushed in there. I don't like that. Guess there's not much I can do about it right now because this baby is just about wrapped. I don't want to waste the bag, so let's see how it looks once I'm done here. So I hope that everyone's having a good day. It's almost over. Earlier this morning, I was thinking about what I was doing on this day in 2001. And I remember very well being at work, receiving the news, and everything for everyone came to a standstill. I still remember the families and the loved ones that are missing. So, anyways, y'all, this is okay. That is wrapped good enough for right now. See if I can do something with this bow here. So, so if you made it this far through my video and you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like and the comment button, feel free to talk to me. I'd like to hear from you. And I'm getting still working on these bowls, y'all. Still working on these bowls. I'll, I'll probably never get them perfect, but I'm getting them good enough for me to make my concepts look beautiful. Okay, y'all. So, see if I can adjust the screen there. So, yeah, so this is one of them. Right. And this is the other one. This one is pretty tall, y'all. So, this is what the other one looks like. So, I thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. For those of you who have made it this far through the video, that shows how much you support your girl. I really, really, really appreciate you. And for anyone coming in to visit, I appreciate you also. Even though you may not be subscribed to my channel, I appreciate all of you. Feel free to stop in at any time to see what your girl is doing. Maybe one day you'll see something that you like and would subscribe to my channel. I'm working to grow it, y'all. I'm working to grow it. So until my next video, God bless and see you.